ਹੈਲੋ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ, ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ, ਨਮਸਕਾਰ, ਸਲਾਮ। ਹੋਰ ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਚਾਲ ਆ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ? ਆਪਣਾ ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਲੈਕਚਰ ਹੈਗਾ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਉਹ ਹੈਗਾ what is economics and what are the features of Indian economy. Economics, as you know, it is related to money. Money is a fuel of life. Without money nothing can happen. You cannot have a glass of water without money in a metropolitan cities. So money is very important for life. It is a fuel of life and fuel of administration. No government can run without money. If there is no money, there cannot be any administration. So economics is a very important subject. It is a social science. Every country has its own political system, social system, cultural system and economic system. Economics is a social science. It is a study of principles of the way how the money is generated, how the money is produced, how the business is done, how the industry is running, how agriculture production has grown and sale in the market. Money is very important for everybody. Economics is a social science. It is related to the needs and wants of human beings. The economic system of every country is a different from one country to other country. The economic system of USA is different from the economic system of India. Economic system is so important that it has its impacts on other systems like social system, cultural system, political system, even education system, you can say. Adam Smith, the economist, great economist, said economics is a inquiry into the nature of cause and wealth of nature. It deals with wants and choices of human beings. Economics is a study how people produce, do trade and use goods and services. Economic is a social science related to production, distribution and consumption of goods and services. Indian economy is also same. It is a study of produce, study of trade, study of agriculture, study how the citizens of India use and consume the goods and services. Indian economy has some peculiar features. Every country's economic system has some features. As you know, economies are divided into three categories: developed economies, developing economies and underdeveloped economies. These three types of economies has different features. Now India is a developing economy which has a peculiar features, and these features are like this. Number one, low per capita income. The first and the important feature of Indian economy is that it has low per capita income, because here the earning hands are very few. Low per capita income means total income of the country divided by the total population of the country. So it is a feature of Indian economy that there is a low per capita income in Indian economy. Low GDP. Same, GDP, gross domestic product. GDP means number of services and goods produced in a country in a given time. In India, from 1st April to 31st March, the number of services and goods produced, we have a low gross domestic product. Same, third, low GNP, gross national product. Gross national product means GDP plus income from the foreign countries. If our GDP is low, our GNP is low. It is a feature of Indian economy that we have a low gross national product. Next feature is a dominance of agriculture. All the developing and underdeveloped economies, they are based on agriculture. The agriculture dominate the economic system. In India, there is a dominance of agriculture in economy. Next is a depend upon primary sector. Agriculture is our primary sector and we depend upon the agriculture. So it is a feature of Indian economy that it depends upon the primary sector. Next feature is unequal distribution of wealth. If you see in developing countries, it is a feature that there is a inequality in distribution of wealth. Some people are very rich, a few people they are very rich, and there is also a middle class, and below poverty line you can say the poor people. So there is a unequal distribution of wealth in a developing economy, and it is a feature of Indian economy that there is a inequality in distribution of wealth. Next feature is existence of unemployment and underemployment. There is a unemployment. The youth, educated youth is unemployed in the developing economies. There is also underemployment. You deserve high employment, at high level, but you are placed at a lower level. You are underemployed. We have to think, are we employable? Are we fit to that job? Is a question. So there is a existence of unemployment and underemployment in a developing economy. It is a feature of Indian economy. Next feature is heavy population. In a developing economies, the population is very heavy. The size of population is very big. If you see, India is the second largest populated country in the world after China, and very soon I think we will cross China. So the population is more in a India or in a developing economy like India. If in India you will see the most of the population belongs to the Bimaru state, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, UP, the underdeveloped states in India. Maximum population of India is placed in these Bimaru states, you can say. Illiteracy it can be called feature or stigma on Indian economy or developing economy like India. Illiteracy is more. According to the census 2011, 65.38% people of our country are literate. Can you imagine who is considered as literate in our country? The person who can write his name or read his name is declared literate. But in Europe, the person who can read the instructions on the medicine, it is for external use, he is considered as literate. So illiteracy is present in the developing economies. Next is less national income. Our national income is less as compared to the developed economies, you can say. So national income is very less. Next, depends upon monsoon. You know, agriculture is our primary sector and our agriculture depends upon monsoon. If there is a good monsoon, good rain, more production. If there is bad monsoon, production is less. So monsoon affects the developing economies. Where there is the economy which depends upon the primary sector like agriculture, these economies depends upon monsoon. So monsoon is a very important factor. Next feature is no use of updated technology in agriculture, industry and trade. It is a feature of Indian economy that updated technology is not used in agriculture, in trade, in industry. Our technology is not updated. For technological updation, we depends upon the developed economies, developed world, Europe, USA. So it is present in the Indian economy. Next, low living standard. The standard of people in a developing economy like India is very low as compared to the developed economies of USA, England, German, France, the European countries. So our living of standard is very low. No full development of means of transport. In a developing economies like India or in Indian economy, it is a feature that there is a no well developed means of transport. No network of roads, no proper transport system through air and water, very less connectivity through air and water or roads. The condition of roads is very bad. So this is one of the feature of Indian economy. Less input output ratio. In an economy like India, the input output ratio is less. We give more input, but the production is less. The output is less. Next is deficit budgeting. In a developing economies, the budgeting is always deficit. There is a big difference between estimates and actual earnings. We estimate more earnings, but actually we have less earnings. That's why the budgets are always in a deficit. The budgets are of three types: surplus, deficit, equal. The budget of developing economies is always deficit. Less base of taxation. The taxation base is very less in the developing economies. Take the case of India. Very few people pay the taxes. There is a tax evasion also. The people take loan and run away from our countries like Nirav Modi, Lalit Modi, Mehul Choksi, Vijay Mallya. Huge sum of money they have taken as a loan and run away with the money. Poor nationalism. It is not an economic feature, you can say. The nationalism is very poor in a developing countries. Basically, we have a very low national spirit. If we have a good national spirit, everybody will pay the taxes, our economy will be at the top. So friends, this was the lecture on what is economics, what are the features of Indian economy. फ्रेंड्स अगर ਲੈਕਚਰ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਲਾਈਕ ਕਰਿਓ, ਮੇਰੇ ਚੈਨਲ YouTube ਚੈਨਲ ਪ੍ਰੋਫੈਸਰ ਕੋਮਲ ਸਿੰਘ ਨੂੰ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰੋ ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇੰਸਟਾਗ੍ਰਾਮ ਤੇ professor_ਕੋਮਲ ਸਿੰਘ ਫੋਲੋ ਕਰੋ।